Hi, Phanessa here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can stitch together your granny squares. So I started making these squares whenever I would make something and have a little bit of yarn left. I've been collecting them for some time now, so I thought I would start stitching them together. This is just one way to stitch it together, but this one is sort of an invisible join. So I'm going to cut my yarn so that it's about 3 inches longer on each side. So with the right side facing each other, I'm going to start at my chain 2, and what you want to do is work on the outer loops. What you want to do is work into the loop on the outside. So you'll work through these loops here on this color, and then on this one we'll work through the loops on this side. So the loop that's on the outside, that's the loop you want to work into. So I like to start with the chain 2 area, insert my needle through that one and through this one, and then I'm just going to leave that 3-inch tail, and then I'm going to go right to the next stitch, and again we're working through the loop that's on the outside, so we're only working through one loop, and then you want to insert it through the corresponding stitch on this side on the outside loop. Moving on to the next one, through the outside loop and then through the outside loop here. So if you were looking at this without thinking about which side is wrong or right, it would be through the front, if we're on this side, it's through the back loop and through the front loops. Just depending on how you hold this, and on this side, through the front loops and through the back loops. So you just want to keep in mind that you want to work in the loop that's on the outside of your square. Through this one. So I'm at the end, and I have chain 2s here and here. I'm just going to work through one of them. Okay. So you can pull this tighter. I like to tug at both of them, so that sort of stretches them out, and you can see that the seam is pretty good on the right side, and you can see it a little bit on the wrong side, but it's still not too bad. So by working the loops on the outside, you have the other loops running across here. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you next time.